Hi, this is Stephanie Ansley, and I'm going to show you how I do the strobing stick.
So this is my strobing stick illuminator. As a mom, I have to do everything really fast. So this is my technique.
So first you want to do straight down your nose, on your forehead, also on the top of your lips, on your chin, also on your cheekbones.
And so I have to do everything really fast. As a mother of three, I don't have time. So I'll show you the quick way.
I like to add this several times if needed to add a more dramatic look.
I hope you can see. And this is a fast way to get that glow. Hope you can see it. Yeah, and that happens. When you don't have time, that's your quick glow. Thanks.